my channel, Keeping Up with Q. So from the title of today's video, you guys can tell I'm doing my like come grocery shop with me broke college student edition, because very much so broke. Before we get into this video, make sure y'all give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what y'all think, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join the Q Mafia, because I'm lit, y'all lit, so we can be lit together, period. I got this video idea from Cianahmonaa. I've been watching her for a long time. She's another like college vlogger, college YouTuber, whatever. She does other videos too, but like that's kind of like her big thing. She did this before, and I, you know, also have to do stuff like this. So why not just go ahead and show y'all what I get, because I'm in the process of trying to learn how to cook, because like, I don't know how to explain it. I can cook for me, but I can't really cook for other people. It's like I cook what I want and how I want it, but like, I don't know. But yeah, I'm in the process of trying to learn how to cook, so I can show y'all how I shop, I guess, because I am very much so broke. So yeah, I am gonna buy, I think like three recipes I had on there. It's like basic stuff, so you know, I gotta start off beginner edition. So like basic stuff, and then I get a lot of frozen dinners too, because most of the time you don't be having time to cook. Yeah, I'm gonna just bring y'all with me, showing y'all my grocery stuff. I do have to get other stuff too, but I'm gonna just show y'all groceries. So this will also kind of help if you plan on having a fridge in your room, and if you have like the size fridge that I have, you can know what you can and cannot get, because I did not have the size fridge last year and I could not get anything. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm just go ahead and get into it so y'all can see what I buy, and then I also want y'all to guess how much y'all think I spent. Guess how much y'all think. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So now I'm just about to go through everything, show y'all what I got, you know, while I'm putting it away too. Okay, so I'm supposed to be making a rotel dip, y'all. So I'm following this video I found on YouTube. So that's the first things that I put in the bag. And I just got this Velveeta cheese. Apparently this is what they use in the video. So we got this, my seasoning. I'm gonna keep this stuff in the bag because this is going out in the kitchen. My seasonings, and then my rotel dip. Actually, I'm gonna put this stuff out there since I'm gonna cook this. So next I have my Zatarain's TV dinners, which is going in this fridge. Y'all know I love me some Zatarain's, period. And then if you didn't know, Zatarain sells them in like the family meals bags or whatever. You can put it in a pot, cook it, you know, like you made it. So I got this too in the blackened chicken Alfredo, just because I like that one, the TV dinner, but they didn't have that, so we just went with this. And that's going in there. And then I also got this 3 cheese chicken one. It's a different brand, but I've been eating this since like freshman year because of Keon. Yeah, it's like an instant little meal, quick to go. Put it in a pot, get a little, oh, I forgot to get garlic bread. Get some garlic bread, put that on the side. Dinner is served. And then, if you know me, I still like smiley fries. I'm trying to get out of it, so I only got one. I typically buy like 5 because they're only $1, but it's just popcorn chicken and smiley fries like they used to sell and will serve in like elementary school. So yeah, got that. Let's see. That's not important, but I got cups. Let's see. Then I got some fries because I plan on making hamburgers and fries one night, so I'm gonna put that out there in that fridge. And then let's see, I bought pancake mix. This is also going out there because I want to start making breakfast now. I used to last year, but I stopped, but we're gonna get back into it. So just got the Cianahmonaa, and yeah, put that out there. Then I got some fruit snacks. I didn't buy as many snacks this time, but I felt like fruit snacks is always something quick and on the go, so your girl got her some fruit snacks. Oh, y'all, I picked the perfect day to go shopping. They were restocking the hot sausages. I don't know if it's just the ones in South Carolina, but Walmart is always out of hot sausages and the pickled eggs and the pig beets and all that. But your girl caught them. She caught them. If you know, you know. Let's see. Oh, and then I went ahead and bought like the little taco kit to make tacos. Everybody should know how to make tacos. That's like one of the few things I know how to cook. So I'm gonna make tacos on like a Taco Tuesday or something, you know. And then that's going out there. Oh, the real ones know about the rice and vegetable Chef Boyardee's. These hit, whatever you say, these hit, period. If you're on a budget, you need something quick to eat, these rice and vegetables are the way to go. I love these, and these are only $1, so I got 4. Then I got cheese to go with the tacos. Put that out there. So next, I'm trying out something new, and it's these Angus seasoned beef patties. So I used to buy them, well, my first time trying, I used to buy like the actual ground beef patties or the ground chuck or whatever it is. But I've been seeing on like some grocery hauls that people have been using this, and yeah, I actually want to try these, and these come with 6 instead of the 4 that they sell in the pack. So I'm gonna just try this out and see how it is, but I've been hearing good reviews about it. They're a little expensive though, so I hope these are good. But I'm gonna put this out there. Then I got the breakfast sausage. So for breakfast, I also got like the Hillshire, which I am so done for doing. I typically get Roger Wood. I don't know what I was thinking, but I got this, and I got these sausages to use. Sometimes when I'm being a little classy, you know, serve it up for people like this, or cut your sausage and cook it like that. I don't know why I didn't get Roger Wood. So I also got some Gatorade. I'm still trying to find like a big pack like this with the different colors. The only ones I see is like the thirst quenchers, the little behind Gatorades, and I'm tired of spending my money on that when they don't last as long as these. So if y'all know some good spots to sell this, let me know. I also got some cream pineapple, the best cranberry juice there is, period. And then I got some lemonade Minute Maid, and I also have some on shoes. Before y'all get on me, I already have a whole case of water. So yeah, but this is for breakfast, and that's for other stuff. This is for breakfast too. And then I got some ground beef for my tacos and my rotel, and then more seasoning and more butter. So I feel like this video is gonna be pretty short because I mean it is just like a broke college student grocery haul, but I hope this kind of gives y'all a feel of what you buy in college, if you don't really cook like that, all that. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what you think, and also comment down other college related videos that y'all want to see that's different, that people typically do, don't matter. And lastly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Q Mafia because I'm lit, y'all lit, so we do it together, period.